Switchblades.tv presents available at assistedknife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents the Balisong BottleFly. Bruce Lee would have been proud to open a bottle with one of these. Crafted from stainless steel and aluminum, the Balisong bottle blade is stainless steel and it's fashioned after its more ominous brother, the Balisong knife. It's suitable for performing all the same tricks that the knife can, but minus all the stitches to the fingers. This is the ultimate Balisong Butterfly trainer. It's a trainer with a purpose. After you've done all your sweet-ass tricks with this, you can open a beer. Available at assistedknife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com